All right, we just got this, and we're going to see how it works. This is a wireless, smart magnetic wireless charger. So apparently I can plug this into USB, and then I just set my phone on it and it charges it. So let's get it out of the package, see what it looks like. Always wanted to try one of these. Set that there. It does come with this, and apparently there's an app. It's got a user's manual. You may need that. I don't think there's really too much to it. Oh, check it out. It's USB-C. So you're going to need USB-C. And it's got a warranty. You can activate it. You got to unhook this. Ooh. And then I've got to get a block. Now, for some reason, none of this stuff comes with blocks anymore. And of course, it's from China. But we're going to go ahead and plug it in. You know, we can use this stuff, but you can't use TikTok. Everything comes from China. So stupid. All right, so anyway, USB-C, so you need that block. So let's go ahead and grab one. All right, check this Apple block that I have. It's sick. Ching. And it's USB-C. So I got to plug this in here like this. All right, so now we got our block. Now I got to plug it in underneath here, and then we can go ahead and try charging our phone. You follows me? You know, you got to get one of these things. This thing does not come with one. All right? All right, so I'm just going to plug this in down here. Okay, we're in. And as soon as I do, look, watch. It made it like a blue kind of color. This is, oh look, I didn't even see this. It does come with this thing, so you can go USB-C to USB-A. But I think it'll charge quicker if I use that giant block, right? All right, so now I've got to get all this shit out of the way. All right, I wonder if this is set on there. No, it doesn't. All right, so I gotta set my, I gotta pull this off of here. All right. Okay, so this is the side that you put the phone on. So now I gotta get my phone out. All right, so this is my iPhone, right? And I guess I just gotta get it right on there like that. Look at that. All right, so it's gonna charge, I think. Yeah, check it out. See right there? Wait a minute. See it shows it charging. So let me pop it off. Oh, look. It sticks on there too. Oh, that's kind of cool, right? Look at that. Here. Can you see it? Oh, it just went out. All right, well, so that's how it works. And we just gotta, let's swipe up. For some reason it keeps going out. Oh, you don't get to see that. All right, so here we are. Let's slide over. All right, so we're at 52%. We'll give it a couple minutes and see if it pops up stronger. But yeah, here we are. So let's see where we're at. Oh, 94%. It's only been about, I don't know, a half hour or so. So this thing is killing it. I'm liking it so far.